So I'm here with Heavy Metal Dan. He builds gates and other stuff as well. Tell us a bit about what you do, Dan.
Well, we are custom fabricators. So what we do is driveway gates and hand railings is most of our business. I'm an artisan welder, really, is what I do. So anything that's custom made, or
jet boats.
Yeah, we even made a jet boat. Yeah.
Awesome. So how'd you get into that? Were you like always a welder? Did you weld different stuff first, then got into more of the artisan stuff?
Yeah. Well, I'm a retired professional diver. Okay. And I spent 17 years underwater doing that for a living. And wow. When I had to get out of that because I was getting too old, one of my customers was the instructor at Camosun College for the welding program, and he said, come on down and check it out, and I did, and just kind of made sense for me because my grandfather and my big brother are both welders, and so I started Heavy Metal Design.
Diving, I forgot that. I remember you telling me that before, but like what sort of diving? I'm just curious. I know it has nothing to do with your gates, but...
Yeah, well, I started out as an instructor. Yeah. I hold a master instructor's rating with Paddy Canada.
Oh, wow.
And some other stuff. I really got into it hardcore. It was my life for 17 years, from the time I was 20 years old till I was 37 when I retired and got out of it. So we did stuff like dock ramps. When I'm from here, I grew up here in Armstrong, but I spent 13 years in Victoria. Okay. And that's where we started Heavy Metal Design. Yep. And so I was doing a lot of marine projects there. Okay. You know? After coming back home here to the Armstrong Vernon area, like you said before, you sort of the different pathways come in a trade, and you just go where the market is, really. Yeah. And for me here, it's been driveway gates and hand railings.
Okay, that's cool. And you stay busy with that all summer and then off to the Philippines or wherever in the winter?
Yeah, our busy season is from approximately the first week of March to November 1st. Okay. Because it's hard pouring concrete in the winter time and installing. And people are mostly not doing their outdoor projects in the winter. Yeah, right. So I'm sort of seasonal, and as you pointed out, I love to take off and go other places in the winter, so it's good for me. Yeah,
don't blame you. So what are the top 3 things that people ask you, like say when they come by the booth? What are the top 3 questions they're asking you?
Usually the most important thing on their mind is design. Yep. How long does it take? Yep. And can you supply us with the LiftMaster openers? You do all that too, and we are a LiftMaster dealer, so we do the entire project from digging the holes to pouring the proper amount of concrete to putting the posts in plumb, hanging the gates, painting them, or sending them to Galaxy to get powder coated.
Cool. So how much does a gate cost? I mean, it varies, I know that, but on average, what are we looking at?
So basically, here's where they kind of start. Yep. Okay, is something like this. Yep. Rectangular, flat top, pickets, very basic design. Okay. Yep. And a gate like that with posts, lifetime hinges, and paint and all that included, the whole install, they start around $6 grand. Okay. And
that's without the opener?
That's without the openers.
Okay, and those add, what, another $5-6 grand to it?
Not quite that much, but it could be that much depending on how big your gate is and all that kind of stuff.
Gotcha. Okay. And then you can go right up probably to 50 grand for a gate if you go real fancy, eh?
Well, I mean, this one's got an arch top with shoulders on it. Yeah. Matching powder coated panels to match the trim on his house. This one was more like 8,500 or 9,000. And then, you know, like this one here was closer to 10 grand. We spent a lot of time making these and horseshoes and, you know. Yeah. That was a little bit more time.
Cool.
And then also we can do this. We can just make the frames and we inlay them with cedar. Cedar's beautiful.
I know who that's for. I can't think of her name, but I looked at fixing that barn for her.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Cool.
Awesome. Yeah. Cool. Well, that's good, Dan. Yeah, hopefully you get a lot of people by here at the show and book some for this year and next year.
Thanks a lot, man. Good to see you again.
Yeah, good to see you too.